our both hands. Ay, itaas daw po ang dalawang kamay. Itaas ang dalawang kamay. And clap 15 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And after that, we need to wave our hands side to side in 15 counts also. Okay, just for one, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ayan, very good everyone. And our second step, we need to step in front ng 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need to shake our body pababa ng dalawang beses. So shake pababa, and we will gonna repeat it twice. Dalawang beses po natin siya ulitin. And then after that, we need to step in backward also. Now 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and shake pababa, in 2 times then. Okay, and after that, we need to roll our hands side to side. Ayan, sa taas and then sa baba ng 32 times. 32 counts. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan. And our last step everyone, ayan, spread out our both hands or arms like this. Ayan, ilapat po pong 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, very good everyone. Ready everyone? Ready? Clap, 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 and wave. Side to side. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Step down front, 4 times, and shake your back, forward. And shake your back, forward. And shake your back, again, backward. And shake your back, ready, roll. Ikot, taas. So, back side to side. Pass again. And baba. One more time. Ikot, side to side. And baba. Stay one side. And our last step. And lower. Okay, one more time. Okay, ito ng balat ng kids. At the back, wala bang gusto sumali mga kids? Ayaw sumali? Ayaw sumali sa games? Ayaw, sige, okay. Kung ayaw, dyan na lang sa cheers natin. TV9, sorry for time. Once again, when I sing the loudest hi, you will say the loudest hello. Hi! Okay, very good. Hello! Ayan, okay, so before we proceed to our games, ayan, raise your both hands, guys. Ayan, please, raise your both hands. Raise yung itaas ang dalawang kamay. And then shake your hands 10 times. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then shake your body 10 times. Also, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. And then jump 10 times. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then sabi ko, jump, hindi headbang. Sabi niya headbang. Okay, sige. Ayan, so find your own space, guys. Ayun ang bakit umiiyak si Maya. Bakit? Why are you crying, baby girl? Ayan. Natakot ba? Natakot? McDonald's Santera. Okay, she wanted to join here in Nixie Rain's birthday party today. But when she woke up, guys, ayan, nung pagising daw niya, napansin niya na magulong ka ng buhok and pati niya sa mirror. Ang sabi niya sa akin, Kuya Paul, I need to fix my hair. Kailangan ko ayusin yung buhok ko para maging presentable ako sa birthday party ni Nixie. Okay, so ang tanong ni Kuya Paul, ano kaya yung mga bagay or things that we need or we use to fix our hair? Ano na yung mga bagay na ginagamit natin everyday usage para maging maayos yung ating hair, maging maayos yung buhok? Okay, raise your hand. Okay, change pa rin. Ayan, sige, kitin po na mga kid. Ayan, grabe, may nagsabi sa ilalim ng table. Ayan, so we're sila po ang ating special guest for today. And we're very sorry siya lang yung nakarating sa birthday mo today. Kasi ibang character, busy. Nasa ibang party, mga character natin. Ayan, so dahil nga napaka-special ng birthday celebration ni Kuya Nancy, ayan. So, merong inihandang information number si Abby Brady para sa aming lahat. Okay, so sige, please take your seats muna, guys. Ayan, so meron sa ni Brady, guys. Please, ayan, let's go here. Yung mga gusto na, sige.